Hi guys, this is a short video for class on 3-3, which is Mardi Gras week. And in this video, I'm going to talk about your midterm constructed response or take-home essay part of the midterm. So on our main document that I'm sure you guys are very familiar with already, I have linked here. Now, if you clicked on this link before today, which is Friday the 25th. It's a different link. So go ahead and click on it again and use the new link. And this is going to be our take-home section of our midterm. It's worth 15 points, which as you know in this class is a lot, and it's got 3 brief essays on it. This will be due as you walk into class on midterm day, which is on March the 10th. Meaning that you cannot do it during class that day. So you'll need to have it done by the 10th when you walk in. And you can submit it on Moodle or you can hand in a paper copy. I would probably rather it on Moodle. So first essay, we talked about dispositions a little bit, and you guys had a homework assignment to do a self-evaluation on yourself on your dispositions as a future educator. If you'd like to be reminded of what those questions are, you can click here for that Google form. So in the first part of the essay, I want you to brag on yourself. I want you to tell me 2 areas on that form where you rated yourself positively, and give me concrete examples of why you rated yourself that way. And then in contrast, I want you to tell me about 2 areas where you felt that you could use some growth and what your plan is for growing in those 2 areas over the next year or so before you start your residency. So this will be 5 points. As you probably can imagine, a sentence or 2 is not going to be sufficient for this. So make sure you give this some thought and reflection when you do that essay. Essay number 2, we talked about professionalism at the beginning part of this semester. Here is a scenario of Mrs. K, and tell me again in detail what you think about this situation, how you may have handled it, or handled it differently, or handled the same. Let me know what you think about Miss K's professionalism in this situation. Essay number 3, we actually did a couple of times in class yesterday on Thursday the 24th. We talked about all of these definitions when we talked about non-typically learning students in your future classroom. So just like I told you in class, you are going to make up a hypothetical situation for your future classroom and a student that you are observing and may have some concerns about. So again, a sentence or 2 is not going to be enough on this one. And as you use these terms, you need to show me when you use the terms that you know what the terms mean and use them appropriately. I will tell you that you can, of course, use your notes and everything on this take-home midterm, but these terms will also be on the objective part of the midterm that you will have on the 10th. So as you're going through writing this before the 10th, it's a good idea to start to really learn and understand what these acronyms mean and what the definitions are. So lastly, to reward those of you who are actually watching this short 4-minute video on Mardi Gras week, I am going to ask you to do me a favor and you will get a bonus point showing me that you watched this video. So if you go back to our main page with the schedule on it, if you scroll down to our professionalism link, if you have watched this video, go ahead and highlight your name in your favorite color. So if I am Holden, I'm going to go up here and say my favorite color is red for Nichols, and I'm going to highlight my name in red. Now, don't highlight anybody else's name because as you can see, I have tracking on and I can see who makes edits to this document. So please, honor system, don't tell anybody else about this bonus point opportunity. And just as you watch this video and you start working on your midterm, go ahead over to the professionalism link here and highlight your name in your favorite color, and I will grab you a bonus point on the midterm. Also, lastly, I kind of forgot to mention this in class yesterday. You all should have gotten an email from a company called Atlas, and some of you clicked on the links in there to activate that account. Some of you did not. If you did not, please go ahead and do it. As I was mentioning to y'all in class, all of the other field experience videos, I'm trying to do major specific. So Holden will have a secondary social studies. Anya and Jayla will have a pre-K classroom. I don't want y'all watching just videos that aren't helpful to y'all anymore. And Atlas is the Medium, the website that we're going to use, and without you activating your account, you won't be able to get into those videos later. As a matter of fact, you know what? After you activate your Atlas account, come over to this professionalism and highlight in your favorite color right here that you have activated your Atlas account. So you have got an opportunity for 2 bonus points if you watch this video. Again, honor system of don't tell anybody about the bonus point opportunity. And again, I can see when you make edits, so please don't do it for anybody else. I hope you have a wonderful break. I hope you at least get a break. Feel free to start working on this midterm, although it is not due until the 10th before you walk in for the midterm class. The week after Mardi Gras, we will have a midterm review class where we're going to play some fun games with all of the midterm objective questions. And then on the 10th, we will actually take the objective midterm. No Scantron needed, anything like that. It'll be fill in the blank, matching, multiple choice, maybe a short answer or two. That will be 60 points, and then this take-home essay, 3 essays, will be 15 points. Have a wonderful day, guys. Bye.